I've got this much turmeric left. And that's okay, because this is what replaced it. All right, this is one of those moments where I have to stop and just take it in. This table right here is 6 feet long, and the middle 5 feet of it is completely covered in turmeric that came out of our garden. 2 years of abundance are sitting right here in front of me. On this end, loofah from 2024. That harvest was overwhelming in the best way. On this end, birdhouse gourds. Right here in the middle, this is turmeric from 2025. Exciting, substantial, and hopefully more than enough. But we'll see, because the garden always gets the final word. Today's video is about the final step, not the planting, not the digging, the finishing work. We're slicing, grating, and grinding this turmeric so it can actually be used, because the harvest isn't finished until it's usable. So here's the plan. About half of this turmeric is going to be sliced, the other half is going to be grated. Kind of like, grated carrots, except turmeric. Last year I sliced everything by hand. That worked because there wasn't that much of it. This year, that's not happening. There is no universe where my brain stays happy slicing all of this by hand. That's okay, we're going to start using tools. We'll be using a food processor with a slicing blade and a grating blade. Not to be fancy, to be realistic. And if a task is too small and too repetitive, it stops being peaceful and starts being paralyzing. Tools turn I can't into this is manageable. For drying, we'll be using our Septree 10-tray dehydrator. I'll be drying both sliced and grated turmeric to see how they compare in both drying time and texture. And once everything is fully dry, we'll be grinding it into powder using a coffee grinder. At least 3 jars worth. And here's the part that makes me smile. I am quite literally at the end of last year's turmeric. I've got about 1/4 inch of turmeric left in a jar, and the timing of this couldn't be better if I tried. This part takes time, and that's okay. Some of it is sliced, some of it is grated. Some trays will dry faster than others. Nothing about this has to be perfect. It just has to be done. This is the part where it all comes together. Dried turmeric going into the grinder, fresh powder coming out. The smell alone tells you this was worth the effort. These jars represent something finished, something stored, something ready. And over here, these jars are vacuum sealed, so they'll last us through the year. Not flashy, not complicated, just prepared. 2 platters of turmeric are still on the table. These aren't for eating, these are for going back into the garden. Because harvest isn't the end of the story, it's part of the cycle. I don't know yet if this will be more than enough for the year. But I do know this. It came from our soil, it was processed with care, and it's ready to use. With some of the remaining turmeric, we'll be fermenting in honey with ginger and lemon, all from our property. So be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you'll be able to watch as soon as it's published. And that's enough for today. Your garden doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be yours. Have a blessed day, friend.